Welcome to Accounting for SS1 at LightTech Academy. Today we study the suspense account. What is a suspense account? A suspense account is a temporary ledger account opened when the trial balance does not agree. The difference between the total debit balances and total credit balances is placed in the suspense account to make the trial balance temporarily while errors are investigated and corrected. When is the suspense account used? 1. When the trial balance disagrees, DR total not equal to CR total. 2. When a receipt or payment is received but its correct account is not yet known. 3. As a temporary holding account for unclassified transactions. Opening rule. If debit total exceeds credit total, credit the suspense account with the difference. If credit total exceeds debit total, debit the suspense account with the difference. Steps to clear the suspense account. Step 1. Prepare the trial balance and identify the difference. Step 2. Open the suspense account and enter the difference on the appropriate side. Step 3. Investigate all records to find the errors causing the difference. Step 4. For each error, prepare a journal entry to correct it, making the corresponding entry in the suspense account. Step 5. When all errors are found and corrected, the suspense account closes to NIL, balance equals 0. Worked example. The trial balance of Chinedu Traders shows, total doctor balances equals 820,000 Nigerian nairas, total CR balances equals 814,000 Nigerian nairas. Difference equals 6,000 Nigerian nairas, a DR side is 6,000 Nigerian nairas greater. Open suspense account, credit side 6,000 Nigerian nairas, to compensate for the excess on the DR side. Errors found. A. The sales day book was undercast, understated, by 3,000 Nigerian nairas. The sales account was credited 3,000 Nigerian nairas too little. B. Stationery expense of 3,000 Nigerian nairas was debited twice in error. The stationery account needs a credit of 3,000 Nigerian nairas to remove the duplicate. Journal entries. Error, a doctor suspense account 3,000 Nigerian nairas /CR sales account 3,000 Nigerian nairas. Narration, sales day book undercast by 3,000 Nigerian nairas, correction. Error, B doctor suspense account 3,000 Nigerian nairas /CR stationery account 3,000 Nigerian nairas. Narration, stationery debited twice in error, removing duplicate debit. Suspense account after corrections, debit side total equals 6,000 Nigerian nairas, sales SC 3,000 Nigerian nairas plus stationery SC 3,000 Nigerian nairas. Credit side equals 6,000 Nigerian nairas, difference per TB. Balance equals nil. Suspense account is closed. Key rule, which errors need suspense account entries? Only errors that cause the trial balance to disagree require an entry in the suspense account. These are errors that affect only one side of the double entry. Errors that do not cause the trial balance to disagree, error of omission, error of commission, error of principal, complete reversal, are corrected through journal entries only, no suspense account entry. Effect of corrections on profit. Expense overstated, corrected, profit increases. Expense understated, corrected, profit decreases. Income overstated, corrected, profit decreases. Income understated, corrected, profit increases. A statement of corrected profit may be required after all corrections, original profit plus and, the profit effects of each correction equals corrected profit. Remember, suspense account equals temporary ledger account equals open when trial balance does not agree equals difference placed here while errors investigated. Opening rule, doctor total exceeds CR total equals credit suspense account, CR total exceeds doctor total equals debit suspense account. Steps, prepare trial balance plus identify difference open suspense account investigate records to find errors for each error equals journal entry plus entry in suspense account when all errors found plus corrected equals suspense account closes to NIL. Worked example, dia total 820,000 crore Nigerian nairas, total Nigerian naira 814000 equals difference 6,000 Nigerian nairas, dia greater cia suspense 6,000 Nigerian nairas, error A equals sales day book undercast Nigerian naira 3000 dia suspense 3,000 plus crore Nigerian nairas, sales 3,000 Nigerian nairas. Error B equals stationery debited twice dia suspense 3,000 plus crore Nigerian naira, stationery 3,000 Nigerian nairas, suspense dia total equals Nigerian naira 6000 plus suspense cia equals Nigerian naira 6000 balance NIL closed. Key rule: only errors causing trial balance TO disagree need suspense account entry, errors not causing disagreement equals journal entries only equals no suspense account entry. Effect on profit: expense overstated corrected equals profit increases, expense understated corrected equals profit decreases, income overstated corrected equals profit decreases, income understated corrected equals profit increases. Statement of corrected profit: original profit plus unprofit effects of corrections equals corrected profit. Thank you and keep excelling at LightTech Academy, powered by LightTech Solutions Limited.